tonight. How are you guys doing? Are you guys alive? Are you guys alive that side? Are you guys here? Can you guys hear my voice? If you can hear my voice, can I just see some reactions on the screen? If you can hear my voice well, okay, I can see Angel, I can see Notando Zanele, Kwanele, I can see you, I can see Zandi, I can see Zandi over there. All right, Tibusiso is saying we can hear you. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, if you guys can hear my voice, are we ready for tonight? So, I missed you guys, eh? I missed you guys, yeah. Just it, I was just been many options of doing things because for the past days, listening electricity and storms, and most people still have abakoni to come back because things are about the affected by the rains. So yeah, things are happening out today. But I tried to see we get accommodated even if as corner to have a live class like this one. So nyabona utsika sita banana recordings so that I can I am able to give you guys, and sometimes I have to record the class mini when you guys are not there so that it can play once class starts because ngisebenzisa computer. So if ngisebenzisa computer kuhamba gesi nje, it is all done. So I've got to be prepared for all circumstances because already we are a day behind. We don't use Fridays, so going to Friday I'm really not comfortable. But again, it doesn't mean that anything stops. I can see people are saying that they missed me. These people. So you guys missed the black man. So last time one person said that I speak a lot. Where is this guy? He's not in class today. He said this guy speaks a lot. Then now you guys are saying that you missed me. Wonderful. So I'll try not to speak a lot. I'll try not to speak a lot. So I don't promise that, but yeah, we will see. So, guys, let's go on with the questions. Let's go on with the questions. Okay, let me start with this one. I think I just saw one like green. Mr. Mendulo is saying, hello, Mr. Mendulo here. In case of both Korea and payments for clientele outside the country, what do you suggest for us to do? Say, ngizama ngabona letting cool, so I want to export again now. I don't see. All right. So, if udila nema-clients la outside the Swaziland, it is best ukuthi ube nalo likhadi la outside the country, ube nelikhadi la outside the country. If not, if awukhona ukuvula i-FNB or Standard Bank outside, it is better ukuthi wena Nkosi usebenzise Mukuru, likhadi la Mukuru, because likhadi la Mukuru likusita ukuthi you can make payments. In fact, you can receive and make payments to outside countries. So ikhadi la Mukuru, it is easy to open. Uvele uye to any Mukuru agent bakhona la kaNgwane. So you just go to their branches. Uvule leli khadi lelo, it works both in South Africa and also in Swaziland. So lide tinkinga, it is just one card and lisebenza on any ATM. So likhadi la Mukuru lisebenza on any ATM, so people can pay straight to your account, and you can also pay straight from your account. So that is the best one we can use for my clients outside the country, ne? So it is very, very easy for that one. Lasebenzisa that platform. Bese-ke, if ufuna ku-exporter, meaning une-product kaNgwane and ufuna kuyithengisa outside, so ngalesinye isikhathi kuba inkinga ka-customs. For instance, ngingaphuma nelikhabethe linye ngithi ngithi ngilithenge kaNgwane ngiyala South Africa, uyabona? It is easy, but kufuneka kube nani, kufuneka kube ne-receipt. Angithi i-receipt lekhombisa ukuthi how much was it, and then if i-VAT was paid. So they mind that ka-customs e-border ukuthi was VAT paid yini, because bona bamcwa ngemali. For instance, yabona borana nabayothenga store, nabafika egedeni they've got to declare store sabo, right? But it depends ukuthi uthenga store samalini. If it is less than 10,000, you are safe. But if your stock is more than 10,000, then you just definitely have to pay. So most of the time khanza ukuthi babhadala imali letinengana, ne? So my sister is paying 1,200 every time she's going out of the country because ungrana. So she spends a lot on that. Ne? Let's remember to switch off our mics, guys. If you open your mic only when you want to ask a question. Ne? All right. So customs bafuna i-receipt lene VAT paid. Now ibhadele i-VAT, then it is not a problem. But nangabe le tinto takho vele kuyabonakala ukuthi uyotithengisa, they will charge i-VAT noma kanjani because lapho it is business. Bona bakuthatha njenge-business. For instance, kunalenye iclass lesinalo apart from this one, iclass lema-perfume. So class lama-perfume, when we teach you guys to make perfumes, angithi bese siyanithengela store. So ukhanze ukuthi if a border sifika store sama-perfume, definitely vele bakucharge as a business logo, because uthi umuntu munye longathenga ema-perfume langu-200, noma ngabe udithanda kanganani, no matter how much you love yourself, no, there's no way you can buy 200 perfumes, right? So vele they touch that as a business, we have to pay VAT. You get what I'm saying? But ke if ngithenga nje impahla, I can buy as many clothes as I want, ne? So yabona ukuthi it is different. They charge different for different goods, and lokunye kudepende ukuthi ukhanze bani ka-customs, because some are understanding, labanye they really want money. Abangenelani nje ukuthi how did you do, they want money. So kukanjalo nje, or else ama-goods akho angeke across el border, atohlala batowathatha until you pay that VAT and stuff, ne? Okay, nice. I hope Mr. Mendel you answered on that question. So I took that question from the group. Then kunalo uthi lo uthi kuze nale ngingakubuza nje angazi lutho, konke kumele ngibuye ngifunde negroup elandelayo mina. Okay, so Lou is saying she's been left behind and she's not able to cope with the class. It is okay. Some people they do come around abakhoni to join the first time, they do come back around many times. So sihlukene sibantu ne. All right. Then can I have another question, please? Can I have another question? It's either you type it for me on WhatsApp, Norma. You can just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Handing now. When you click this thing, ne, it shows good you are raising your hand. The lock sandal is palm. So you can click that one, and then we can talk. Ne? All right, Mr. Mendula is being answered. Wonderful. All right, another question, please. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Or should I starting a line in Karetulo pass? Because if it is so, Angel is sinking in. So if we are doing like that, Angel is sinking in, my friend, do. All right. Guys, stop stop discouraging other people. The things are writing in the group. Holy is saying Ziara Lagona say. Yeah, if Ziara now, let's this is the time to ask the questions, eh? So that you can get things cleared. So just state it's okay, this is my challenge, so that you can sort it out, ne? So if you just say you don't understand, it is not making sense because you are not asking a question. So let's ask questions straight to the point. What is your problem? What is your challenge? Let's deal with it, ne? Let's just do it like that. So Tibosiso is saying, Mina, I have challenges with the apps. All right, what is your challenge? Let's be straight, guys, so that we do this thing as fast as we can before we start today's class. Eh? We still have to touch on monetization of skills, how to when starting a business with Zero Malangen. We haven't touched that one still, so there's a lot to cover. Okay, they will see. So still, if you are saying these last apps, I'm lost. So please, let's be specific. What are we talking about? What is your problem? What is your challenge? Eh? Let's be straight, guys. I cannot help you if you are saying that you you are lost. Yes, let's get you straight. What is your problem? This is your challenge. Let's sort it out. Because if you are saying these last apps, I'm lost, And the minute I will just come in and say, I never gave you any apps. And then what will you say? Because I never did give you any apps after all. So let's be careful of what you are saying. Don't expose yourself. Ne? In a dry cleaning business, I'm struggling to collect clients. Please help. Say, all right, Angel. So Angel, what's here now? I've got une in a dry cleaning business. I'm struggling to get clients. All right. If when I angel snake business, ne, this is what we do. Yaikhumbula na video na ile ngifake egroupini itolo exen, I think. I think that just two short brief videos. Lama video lawo, they are for how to sponsor your ads. Because when I angel, nasikhuluma about sponsoring ads, sikhuluma about reaching as many people as we can. Yabona. In as much as logo kuba yi-paid advert, you get what I'm saying? So kuba yi-paid advert, yes. Let me see if we can find something fast here. So you see, this is my page. This is my page, right? Uyabona le page le kusina 90 followers. If na 90 followers, but does it stop my business from reaching thousands of people? No. Well, the video lena kuthi it has got 34,000 views. The one that you guys watched, also that you could join the class. 34,000. But it pays lamina kakuma followers 90. Loku ke sikubita ngema-sponsored ads. You simply create a video, noma create a poster, bese uyayisponsorisha following the instructions that are on the group, lapha. So we follow those instructions. Kule video le, just these two clips. I think it's just two clips that was indeed on the group. Ne? That is how to sponsor an ad. Yes, this one's it's a 7 minutes. The length it is 2 minutes 34 seconds. So those two videos lower, they are the ones that actually I would say how do you scale up page la maybe na 90 my followers, but if video amibone abantu abang 34,000 and kulo 34,000 lo almost I got 500 people to join the big group. Then I got 40 of you guys to join the class this side. You get what I'm saying? So logo sigbita sponsored ads. That is what we do NG, so that you get clients. Base kuna letinye tintfo longatenda to keep your clients, because it's one thing to get new clients. Base it's another thing to do what to get to retain my customer now. If nitile and to do my washing in your dry clean business, you have to make sure next week I'm coming back to you. Next week, so there are things that we do to the existing customers to keep our clients. For instance, for all my returning customers, until last week, wait the other week, it's uwasha kwekuqala kwesibili kwesithathu kwesi-4 I was for you for free. And ori ngikwashela kang-4 kwesi-5 it is for free, or ngikwashela kang-5 then kulo kwesi-6 you can get a certain discount. Why? I'm trying to make lama customer lenginawo ukuthi active asekhaya. You get this? Lo muntu ufuneke active like they have a relationship with you, and ngahlanganiswa nje ukuthi ufuna imali yakhe wena kuphela. No, let the customer feel like they are part of what you are doing. Once the customer feels like they are part of what you are doing, definitely they will be staying here. I'm going to send you another thing whereby a customer will get a discount, or a customer will get a free wash, or where you just say it is a half price, it is a discount Wednesday. Your existing customers on Wednesday, they know it's a discount. For instance, Imove Zone a cables. Imove Zone a cables every Wednesday, it is half price, right? It is total, and by adults, it is in the middle of the week. They cannot do half price on a Saturday or Sunday. Why? They know people are there. They choose midweek. Why? They know what's bancane bantu labatouta on that day, but still they will achieve lokuthi customers know that on Wednesday it is half price. Kude ema-school going kids on Wednesday bakuphi basesikolweni, kude bantu bakuphi basemsebentini. Then after work, after school, the people are coming to enjoy what? A free Wednesday. But how do they make money half price Wednesday again? It is by selling food to the customers. Do you know how expensive kudla cinema is? It is not just for fun ukuthi they make lokudla ukuthi kudule. It is a way for them to make extra cash, to make extra money. Like I said, there is nothing ever free in any business. No business, there is nothing ever free. It will never happen. Any free product in any business, it is definitely not. It is definitely not. Trust me. I once made an example ukuthi uyayibona i-sale yanga December or i-sale yanga Good Friday, Easter sales. Le Easter sale or the Black Friday sale, those are the real prices of the goods. Those are the real prices that are supposed to be charged for the services. But because in mindset and customer, they love free things. Customers love free things. Customers love specials. They love a sale. So a second style Black Friday, whereby customers will feel like seshiphisetile and lelanga lelo silisebenzisa kuhambisa nasitoko nasi lesolo singathengwa the whole year, because asifuni kulahla the products that are damaged or a little close to expiry date. Let us create a day where people are going to think we are doing a sale, whereby we are doing a clean up. The stores will actually hide lamanye ama-products angeke wakhanze emashelfini and unicabanga ukuthi bakuthenge kakhulu ku-out of stock. No, the day before Black Friday, they will hide some items by a storeroom. Why? They are not worthy to be on half price. These are mindset things that we do where in business to keep customers. There is nothing like free or special or sale. Relax. There is nothing like that. But we can tell these things to customers straight pay. We have to make it like it's a Black Friday. We have to make it like it is a special. Are you guys hearing what I'm saying here? Are you guys hearing what I'm saying? Huh? I'm glad Zanel is hearing. Namugero, I can see there. So a business like that. Business like that. Make the people feel like they are part of what you are doing. Ne? So Angel, do discounts for my customer ako loati ukuthi vele they wash here so that they can call others when they sponsored ads they definitely have, and I charge from 20 rand to whatever amount that you want, ne? So they just charge like that. So if I can just show you just a bit here. But Angel, are you getting what I'm saying about your business struggling to get clients? All right, I can see that. I can see that from Angel. All right, so guys, these things, Emma ads, they really work, guys. Emma ads, they really work. I'm not talking about something. I'm not talking about something that I am not sure about. This thing works. This thing works. Let me just show you one here. Uyayibona the screenshot that I just sent on the group right now. Do you see this amount? This one, this amount that you guys see. Do you see how much that is? That is not a bank account, ne? That is an ads account. That's a Facebook ads account. A account this is to run my adverts. So I use this account to, you see right now, there are 5 active campaigns, meaning my adverts lang 5. that are ongoing. This is the amount spent for the advert, the amount spent for advertising, not just for myself, but for other clients whom I manage page abo. So certainty when it comes to this thing, we'll see the money will come back definitely. Spend that 20 rand. One of my clients is spending 20 rand per day just for a week. But already yesterday, she just got 3 more clients. And nasikhuluma my clients for her business, we're talking about someone who's going to pay 500 per person, which was in a day she can make 1.5 for spending 20 rand. So what is stopping you from running my Facebook is just 100 rand. Lenny clients Lenny Ranishela these pages, she spends 3,000 per month on ads only. So imali ads, guys, it does come back because people have got to know what you are all about. Just opening a shop, usibeke ufake store, it doesn't mean phela sotothola ama-custom. No. How will people know which have opened a shop? So people won't know which have opened a shop. So it won't help. It won't take your business anywhere until the right marketing is done. Ne? So let me start it from Etulu. All right, Mr. Mendel, so I'm fired up in Zimbabwe. I see things differently now. Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. All right, Uslana, I have a challenge with Canva on how we are making the post. All right, I think nginganifakela a link, nginganifakela another link la, because I am using a phone and I'm using a computer for the practicals. So ngiganisendela a link letanifundisa how to do the editing using a phone, ne? So that you guys are also then so that you guys are able to learn how to do it, ne? I will put it for you. So you guys learning here na Canva, Lindo na Kuli here. I will put the video after class. I'll send the link here. So you can just watch that video. It don't how to do the editing using a phone. No Simo Utin. I tried to read the notes on copyright, then I compared it with my company's portfolio, but it's different. All right, copywriting, copywriting is just all about marketing, eh? It is all about marketing. So I think maybe if you can elaborate more, Nosimo, on what is the difference, or if you need any clarity there, then Otis Kagu, I need help in writing business proposal, like making relationships with the company in product delivery. All right, why don't you talk about making relationships in my companies, especially on products? Lapo, we have to make sure you do a good symbol for them. Like I said there's nothing free, but we do give customers free symbols, right? But it's necessary to see it is not free. It is there is marketing attached to it. So let me say ufuna kwenza relationship with me and ufuna supply with a certain product. You can just give me a symbol and say, can you try this out and see if it works for you? Just a free symbol. Niyababona labantu lobakhanza la etitolo, maybe banithestisa soup noma stolo enyama banithestisa livosi lelisha, just small pieces. Lama free symbols lawo, they are not free. They are a form of advertising. Try this so that you can buy it later. Because labanye bantu won't try a product labangayithembi. Now esitolo nje uyathi ukuthi nangiyothenga irolo nje, I know I'm going to buy Nivea, nothing more. I don't have to think. Ngiyathi ukuthi nangithi irolo ngiyesitolo ngiyothenga Nivea, you cannot change my mind ukuthi angithenge ini what is that blue thing, blue ice blue, you cannot change my mind on that, right? So how will I know if ice blue itangitreat-a kahle if I've never tried it and ngithi imali yoku-try the new thing? How about if you give me a free symbol for your product before we can talk about what? Making a relationship first. Show us what you can do first. Design a poster for the business without asking them. And then you go and present it and say, hey, I just did a poster for you. Guys, I do a graphic work. If you guys are interested, here is my work. Because we want to speak ngemlomo. I cannot just jump into business with you. There are already people in Tsagagibo, right? There are already people who are supplying me with the same thing that you want to supply me. Why should I leave the people I'm working with now to work with you? Present the product and let it be better, let it be more affordable. Then we can talk about, yeah, I can change my work now and have a relationship with you. You get that? They're writing on us, they're writing. The writing, bring it after. The product talks, the service talks more than the writing will ever do, because everyone is doing what? Is applying for a job position somewhere, and they're all telling you that they're good candidates. They're telling you they can work under pressure. They're telling you that they are very good with teamwork. They know themselves that like they don't want to talk, but they're saying they're good with teamwork. Everyone can say anything on writing until it is time for what? For service delivery, and then you are losing it. So before you can do writing, my friend, I advise, take the product to the people. Take the product to the people in charge and say, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. But if you just do it for free, it is not free. The cost is what? Is the long-term relationship. You won't need to be writing, because you are going to write a business proposal, you take it there, and no one will read it. No one will read it. You will call and say, and they will say they will get back to you, just like they do now. Bashayla would say, bye bye, yes, don't call us, we'll call you. My friend, they will never call you. How many interviews have you attended and then they say, don't call us, we will call you, we'll get back to you? My friend, they never do get back to you now. But if you come with a product, you come with a service and say, this is what I'm doing, then you are at a better chance. Writing these days, my friend, it is almost like a cost. So I don't advise starting with the writing part. Start with the product or the service that you want to do for them, symbol it out for them, then you can put it in writing after they've tried it out. Then Tibusiso, the links you shared of app to use, I'm struggling to use 11 Labs, and I understand it. It works together with Canva, but I'm struggling. No, my friend, that is wrong. That is wrong, my friend. Now, Naskuluma 11 Labs. Sikuluma about it text to speech, and it text to speech. It is simply just to do what? It text to speech. It is simply to change words into written words into a voice. That's all. It doesn't work together with Canva. It has nothing to do with Canva. 11 Labs siyisebenzisa nabe sifuna kwenta ma-adverts, nabe sifuna kwenta ma-stories like this one. Let's say I'm interested in creating folktale stories. That person needs 11 Labs to generate what? The voice behind. Let me do a symbol here. So I want you guys to listen to this a bit.
So letti lenage. Bafetu larangin pitsele umshina lo mushasha so letti lenage itzige. Autzing usi uze muchachi zelano faya mapetsunje la fonje pela lo atwere mo jobo namos. So una mapetlaug so la mshna. Bafetu larangin pitsele umshina lo mushasha so letti lenage itzige. Autzing uze muchachi zelano faya mapetsunje la fonje pela lo atwere mo jobo namos. So una mapetlaug so la mshna nuvere juta zu fage kunalaba. Athare kavitin opanda with stress space sound is space this money aku. Lana outsi utubere maskil siat labani benan funza aktu la lelage tuna dumshinalo. Nam sanjit only 250 ml in the cool numbers on the screen. Numa mutafatele link up video description. La lel tuna dumshinanam thanjao. See you guys soon.
So uyayibona le video lesiceda uyibukela le. This is a video made using what, a voice, right? But the voice is not a person's voice. So use 11 Labs to make the voice like it's not access song purely like advertiser, right? It's not everyone who's been given a voice to advertise. So 11 Labs is for that. It has got nothing to do with Canva. It has got nothing to do with other apps. It is simply video editing. Now it's happened and nine. Anzi, you gave us the link. So this is it. 11 Labs. So I'm going to click on it just as you posted it for us. Base, I'm going to sign. It's either I sign in or I log in, depending what's on your account. Now with the account you sign up. Now your account you sign in noma you log in, ne? So then utofaka email address yakho. If I can use any of my email addresses. So Lana, it is just for us to change text to words, to spoken words.